Today I will show you how to reshape data instantly, no Power Query, no helper columns. Just 4 modern Excel functions that clean, combine, and flatten your data in seconds. HSTACK, VSTACK, TOROW, and TOCOL. HSTACK is ideal when your data arrives in separate pieces but shares the same row structure. Instead of manually aligning columns, HSTACK merges tables horizontally into one clean dataset. Type HSTACK and select the 2 tables you want to combine. Here, customer details and order information become one unified table. No dragging, no copy-paste, just one formula that keeps everything aligned, even when the source data updates. VSTACK solves the opposite problem. When your data comes in multiple batches, for instance, repeated product order tables for the same month, VSTACK stacks them vertically into one continuous list. Type VSTACK and select all the tables you want to combine into a unique vertical table. Instead of copying each product under the previous one, VSTACK builds a dynamic master list. TOROW is designed for automation. APIs, scripts, and JSON structures often expect a single row of values, not a table. TOROW takes any range and flattens it into one clean horizontal array. Type TOROW, choose the table range you want to convert into a row of data, and select one to ignore blanks. This turns your table into a machine-friendly sequence. Ideal for exporting data to tools that don't understand Excel tables or multi-column layouts. TOCOL solves one of the most common real-world problems: data spread across multiple columns when you need a single searchable list. Type TOCOL, select the table range and choose one to ignore blank values. HR systems, drop-down lists, validation rules, and lookup tables all work best with one column. TOCOL takes scattered values and turns them into a clean, analysis-ready list, automatically removing blanks if you want. Modern Excel is all about reshaping data instantly. HSTACK and VSTACK combine your tables. TOROW and TOCOL flatten them for automation, search, and clean workflows. Try these 4 functions and you'll never reshape data manually again. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.